Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best duck call that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Duck Commander Wood Duck Call. If you're a hunter on a budget or someone still unsure if this way of life is the one for you, the Duck Commander Wood Duck Call is a risk-free option to get you started. Boasting 3 sound levels and some of the most realistic duck calls around, you're getting an absolute bargain that feels too good to be true. This single-reed duck call offers versatility, while the durable construction means it'll last through this season and be your go-to for the next one and beyond. It's easy to use, loud, and effective, so even if you're a more experienced hunter, you'll love the quality sounds that emanate from this device. Despite all this, though, we don't advise using it in cold weather, around 55-12. This wood call has an unfortunate habit of freezing, and when you're just about to lure in your chosen duck, that is the last thing you want. Regardless, it is one of our favorite single-reed duck calls. Be sure to always have it in your hunting backpack. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Duck Commander Camo Max Duck Call. The Duck Commander Camo Max is perfect for anyone who needs to keep hidden during their outings. The camouflage design is essential for seamless disguising, while the quality of the call speaks for itself in this double-reed call. Used best as a close-in finishing call, the mid to low range tones exude perfect sound and excel when you need them the most, making it perfect for experienced hunters looking for a hassle-free performance every time when attracting mallard ducks. The double reed ensures easy use, and the custom tuning potential gives you an extra layer of quality. At number 3, we have the Duck Commander Pintail Widgeon Call. The Duck Commander Pintail Widgeon Call delivers a remarkable 6 calls all in one to appeal to a variety of ducks including teal drakes, mallards, doves, and quail. For those living in areas dense with variety, this is a fantastic choice and it is suitable for both beginners and expert hunters. This product is designed to appeal to even the shyest ducks with its versatility in producing different sounds. This model is forgiving and easier on the throat even with aggressive calling, so you can use it for longer. Despite this, when you produce sound, it is still sharp and loud. With almost unlimited potential, this is one of the top-rated duck calls available. At number 2, we have the Primos Hunting High Roller Duck Call. The Primos Hunting High Roller Duck Call can produce 4 duck calls including pintail and mallard sounds. This unique-looking model has a built-in rollerball which makes the fluttering whistle sound instantly and automatically. This feature makes it easier to use and more satisfying to blow. While there is no included lanyard, there is space to attach one. In humid or wet conditions, the ball will occasionally stick, but a quick knock or two and you'll be back in business. Be sure to also check out our guide to the best-selling hunting knives that features more amazing products you can add to your hunting gear collection when duck hunting or otherwise. And finally, at number 1, we have the Duck Commander Jase Robertson Pro Series. The Duck Commander Jase Robertson Pro Series is an upper-range option for serious competitors that mimics the mallard hen so well you'll wonder if you've turned into one overnight. The wide vocalization range and ease of use ensure total satisfaction, while the riveted double reed provides suitable sounds and tones that can get as low as they can high. There are 2 models available, a wood and acrylic call, so you can choose your preferred material, and its unique design ensures easy identification. Like other Duck Commander calls, though, it'll freeze up in the cold, but if you're a summer duck hunter, this won't be an issue and you can enjoy all the benefits throughout the season. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.